Hi, and welcome to my channel Arabic Lingo, where we learn Egyptian Arabic today. Egyptian Arabic is the most common type of Arabic that is spoken. Today, we're going to talk about good night. Good night is expressing good wishes on a parting at night or before going to bed. Also, it is a common word. We use it when we enter any place at night or when we visit someone at his home at night. It's a kind of welcome. So, how to pronounce good night as Egyptian Arabic? مساء الخير. مساء الخير. مساء الخير. I hope this video teach you something for how to pronounce Egyptian Arabic. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe. Thank you.